Broke but brilliant? You don't need a dollar to start dominating the business world. In today's Kingdom Cash, we're spilling the beans on 8 mind-blowing ways to launch your empire without breaking the bank. Get ready to turn your passion into profit, even if your wallet is feeling a little empty. Today here on Kingdom Cash, we're about to shatter every excuse you've ever had about not starting your own business. Do you think you need a fat stack of cash to get started? Think again. I'm about to unleash 8 insanely lucrative business ideas that you can start right now, today, without spending a single penny. That's right, $0 down, but the potential to rake in thousands or even millions. We're talking game-changing strategies that the so-called experts don't want you to know about. These are the hidden gems, the untapped gold mines that could turn you from a 9-to-5 slave into a bona fide business mogul. And here's the kicker. I'm not just going to tell you what these businesses are. I'm going to break down exactly how much cold, hard cash you could be pulling in with each one. We're talking life-changing, quit your job, buy a yacht kind of money. So if you're tired of watching others live your dream life, if you're ready to take control of your financial future and build an empire from scratch, then buckle up, Buttercup. Because the next few minutes could be the most important of your entire life. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of starting a business with no money down and unlimited profit potential? Then let's dive in and start building your Kingdom Cash empire right now. 1. Freelance writing, potential income, $100 to $1,000 per article. First up, we've got freelance writing. If you've got a way with words, this one's your ticket to financial freedom. The beauty of freelance writing is that all you need is a computer and an internet connection. Let's break down how to get started. Step 1. Build your portfolio. Start by creating a portfolio on free platforms like Medium or LinkedIn. Don't have any published work? No problem. Write a few sample articles in your areas of interest or expertise. These could be blog posts, product reviews, or even short stories if you're into creative writing. Step 2. Find your first clients. Once you've got some samples, it's time to hunt for gigs. Popular platforms include Upwork, Fiverr, ProBlogger Job Board, Reddit's R4Hire, and LinkedIn Jobs. Start with smaller jobs to build your reputation. Even if the pay is low initially, focus on delivering high-quality work. Step 3. Specialize and grow. As you gain experience, start specializing in specific niches. This could be technical writing, SEO content, or industry-specific articles. Specialization often leads to higher-paying gigs. Remember, every big-name writer started somewhere. Your first gig might be a $20 blog post, but play your cards right, and you could be commanding $1,000 or more for a single article in no time. The key? Consistency, quality, and continuous learning. 2. Virtual assistant. Potential income, $15 to $50 per hour. Next up, we've got the virtual assistant hustle. Are you organized, detail-oriented, and good at juggling tasks? Then you're sitting on a gold mine, my friend. Businesses of all sizes are constantly on the lookout for reliable VAs to handle everything from email management to social media scheduling. Here's how to launch your VA career. Step 1. Identify your skills. Make a list of your strengths. Are you great at calendar management, data entry, customer service, social media scheduling, or basic graphic design? Step 2. Set up your online presence. Create a professional LinkedIn profile and consider setting up a simple website showcasing your services. You can use free platforms like Wix or WordPress for this. Step 3. Start pitching. Begin by reaching out to small businesses in your area. Many local entrepreneurs are overwhelmed and would love some help. You can also join platforms like Fancy Hands, Zirtual, Time, etc., and virtual assistant forums. Pro tip: as you gain experience and positive reviews, don't hesitate to raise your rates. Your time is valuable, and your skills will improve with each client. 3. Social media management. Potential income, $500 to $5,000 or more per month per client. In today's digital age, every business needs a strong online presence, but not every business owner has the time or know-how to maintain one. That's where you come in. If you're already spending hours on Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, why not get paid for it? Here's your roadmap to social media management success. Step 1. Master the platforms. Ensure you're up to date with the latest features and best practices on major social media platforms. Follow social media experts and take free online courses to sharpen your skills. Step 2. Create a killer portfolio. Start by managing social media for local small businesses, friends, or even create a mock account to showcase your skills. Use free tools like Canva for graphics and later for scheduling posts. Step 3. Offer a complete package. Don't just post content. Learn to develop content strategies, analyze metrics and provide reports, engage with followers, and run basic ad campaigns. As you build your portfolio and client list, you can start charging premium rates for your comprehensive services. Number 4 on our list is online tutoring. Potential income, $20 to $100 or more per hour. This is perfect for those who excel in a particular subject and enjoy teaching others. The best part? You can start with zero investment. Here's how to become a successful online tutor. Step 1. Identify your expertise. What subjects are you passionate about? Common areas include mathematics, sciences, languages, test preparation like SAT, GRE, GMAT, music or art, and programming languages. Step 2. Choose your platform. Several websites connect tutors with students such as TutorMe, Chegg Tutors, Schooly, and VIP Kid for teaching English. Step 3. Create engaging lessons. Develop a teaching style that keeps students interested. Use free resources like Khan Academy or YouTube to supplement your lessons. Pro tip: don't limit yourself to academic subjects. If you're skilled in areas like graphic design, video editing, or digital marketing, there's a market for teaching these skills too. Halfway through our list, we've got dropshipping. Potential income: $1,000 to $50,000 or more per month. This business model allows you to sell products without ever handling the inventory yourself. It's a fantastic way to dip your toes into e-commerce without upfront inventory costs. Here's a step-by-step guide to starting your dropshipping empire. Step 1. Choose your niche. Research trending products or focus on an area you're passionate about. Tools like Google Trends can help you identify popular items. Step 2. Set up your store. Use a platform like Shopify. They offer a 14-day free trial to create your online store. You can start with a basic, free theme to keep costs at zero. Step 3. Find suppliers. Platforms like AliExpress, Salehu, or Oberlo connect you with suppliers who will ship products directly to your customers. Step 4. Market your products. Use free marketing channels like social media and content marketing to drive traffic to your store. As you start making sales, reinvest some profits into paid advertising to scale your business. Remember, dropshipping requires work to find the right products and suppliers, but once you've got it dialed in, this can be an incredibly lucrative business. 6. Podcast hosting. Potential income: $500 to $10,000 or more per month. Our sixth $0 side hustle is podcast hosting. With the rising popularity of podcasts, there's never been a better time to share your voice with the world. Here's how to launch your podcast empire. Step 1. Define your niche. What unique perspective can you bring to the table? Some popular podcast genres include true crime, business and entrepreneurship, self-improvement, comedy, news and politics, and storytelling. Step 2. Plan your content. Outline your first few episodes and decide on a publishing schedule. Consistency is key in building an audience. Step 3. Record and edit. Use free platforms like Audacity for recording and editing. You can start with just your smartphone's microphone, though investing in a better mic can improve quality as you grow. Step 4. Distribute your podcast. Use free hosting platforms like Anchor.fm, which also distribute your podcast to major platforms like Spotify and Apple Podcasts. Step 5. Grow and monetize. As your listener base grows, you can start monetizing through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, crowdfunding, like Patreon, and selling your own products or services. Remember, building a successful podcast takes time and patience. Focus on creating valuable content, and the audience and money will follow. 7. Handmade crafts. Potential income: $500 to $5,000 or more per month. Number 7 on our list is selling handmade crafts. If you're the creative type, this one's for you. Whether you're into knitting, woodworking, or making jewelry, there's a market for handmade goods. Here's how to turn your crafting hobby into a profitable business. Step 1. Identify your craft. What are you passionate about creating? Popular handmade items include jewelry, home decor, clothing and accessories, art prints, candles, and soaps. Step 2. Create your first products. Start with materials you already have around the house. Focus on quality and uniqueness. Step 3. Set up shop. Create a free shop on platforms like Etsy, Handmade at Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, and Instagram, using the shopping feature. Step 4. Photography and descriptions. Take clear, attractive photos of your products. Write detailed descriptions highlighting the uniqueness of your handmade items. Step 5. Market your creations. Use social media to showcase your work. Engage with potential customers and other crafters to build a community around your brand. As you start making sales, reinvest the profits into more materials and gradually expand your product line. Remember, people love buying handmade items because of the personal touch, so don't be afraid to tell your story and connect with your customers. 8. YouTube content creation. Potential income: $1,000 to $100,000 or more per month. Last but certainly not least, we've got YouTube content creation. Yes, just like what I'm doing right now. The beauty of YouTube is that you can start with nothing more than a smartphone and a good idea. Here's your roadmap to YouTube success. Step 1. Find your niche. What unique content can you create? Some popular YouTube niches include how-to tutorials, product reviews, vlogs, educational content, comedy skits, and gaming. Step 2. Plan and create content. Outline your first few videos and start filming. Focus on providing value to your viewers. Step 3. Edit and upload. Use free editing software like DaVinci Resolve or iMovie for Mac users to polish your videos. Step 4. Optimize for search. Use relevant tags, create compelling titles and thumbnails, and write detailed descriptions to help your videos get discovered. Step 5. Engage and grow. Respond to comments, collaborate with other creators, and consistently upload new content to grow your channel. As your channel grows, you can monetize through ad revenue, once you meet YouTube's partner program requirements, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. Remember, success on YouTube takes time and persistence. Focus on creating valuable content, and the views and money will follow. Now I know what you're thinking, but won't it take time to see results? Absolutely. Building a business, even with zero startup costs, requires time, effort, and persistence. But here's the thing. Time is going to pass anyway. In a year from now, you could be in the exact same place you are today, or you could be running a thriving side business that's bringing in serious cash. Remember, every empire starts with a single step. The most important thing is to start. Choose one of these ideas that resonates with you and take action today. Set up that Etsy shop, record your first podcast episode, or write your first blog post. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and your journey to financial freedom starts right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the notification bell to get alerted whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these side hustles are you most excited to try? Or maybe you've already started one of these and have some tips to share. Drop a comment below and let's get this conversation going. Your next big idea could be inspired by someone else's journey. Remember, the road to success isn't always easy, but it's always worth it. There will be challenges along the way, but that's all part of the journey. Embrace the obstacles, learn from your failures, and celebrate your victories, no matter how small they might seem. And here's a little secret. The most successful entrepreneurs aren't just in it for the money. They're driven by a desire to solve problems, to create value, and to make a positive impact on the world. So as you embark on your entrepreneurial journey, think about how your business can not only generate income, but also make a difference. Thanks for tuning in to Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. We'll see you in the next video.